In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to conduct a seller rating check on Facebook Marketplace. This is an easy to follow guide to ensure you make well-informed decisions while shopping online. Let's jump right in and take a closer look at how you can easily find and verify a seller's rating when making a purchase. First things first, the journey begins by opening the Facebook app or navigating to the website, whichever one is more convenient for you. Once you've logged in, you can locate the marketplace icon on the interface. It usually looks like a little storefront icon situated on the left-hand side if you're on a desktop or along the bottom menu on mobile. Give that a click to open up the marketplace homepage, a hub bustling with all kinds of listings. After you're in the marketplace, the next step is to make your way over to the inbox section. On the desktop version, you'll find this option conveniently listed in the left menu panel. If you're using a mobile device, it's typically nestled under More, so keep an eye out for it. Once you open the inbox, select the Buying tab, which filters out all your existing and past interactions as a buyer. It helps keep things orderly, especially when you're actively engaging with multiple sellers. Moving along, you'll want to click on a particular seller from your buying inbox. This action will pull up a detailed view of your current or previous interactions with them. Having reached this step, it's time to move toward the exciting part, checking the seller's profile. Find and click on the profile option that appears, usually a button somewhere on that page. This action leads you directly to the seller's profile page. Now comes the part where more options become your best friend. Usually hovering around the top of the seller's profile, near their name or just below their profile picture, look for a button labeled as More Options. Click on it to reveal additional actions you can take. You might need to repeat this process of selecting more options to ensure you get to the end of this journey smoothly. By clicking on View Marketplace Profile, you are redirected to a detailed layout of the seller's marketplace activities and information. Here lies the treasure, as this page will present you with the seller's ratings. Scan for the section listing ratings, as this provides a wealth of information about the seller's reputation, essential data when evaluating reliability and past interactions with other buyers. By following these steps, you'll be able to check and assess a seller's rating on Facebook Marketplace quickly and efficiently. Make sure to always review these ratings before making new purchases to safeguard your buying decisions. And there you have it. You're now all set to browse and buy from Facebook Marketplace with a little more peace of mind.